welcome back to my channel. I have here a new item found, and this is Vestax. The model is PDX-D3 Digital Control Turntable. These are the controls. This one here is the light for cueing the tone arm, and these are the DJ control. Sad to say I'm not a professional DJ, but I will try to test all these buttons, and it has band, faders. This is the pitch range, motor off, reverse, quartz lock. This one here is the slide for your pitch control, and this one here is the start and stop, speed adjust for 45 RPM and 33. And now we will try to play this one. I have here a record. This is a 12-inch record, and the title is Toy Boy Extended British Mix. So let's get started. So this is a 33 RPM. Some of these DJ records spin on a 45 RPM, but this one is in a 33. So here it is. Sorry, I'm not a DJ. So that's all. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.